So the second problem is, if the effective length L of the second pendulum increased by 1%. So the first effective length, let's say this is L1 and L2 is increased by 1%. So before it was L1, and how much increased? 1% of L1. So let's calculate this one. So this will be L1 plus 1% means L1 divided by 100. So we could write down the value of L2 is equals to 0.01 of L1. So actually L2 is increased up to 0.01 times of L1. So L2 we already have got. So T2, I mean, what is the percentage increased in the time period of T for second pendulum actually? So T2 is equals to T1 and the square root of L2 by L1 from the equation actually we got. So T1 is second pendulum, so obviously the value of T1 is 2 and L2 will be 0.01 over L1, and here also L1 square root. So this one cancel out. So the total value will be, after calculating by the calculator, it will be 2.00997 second. So this much actually increased. Now in percentage of increase, this means the percentage change equals to 2.009975 minus 2. Before it was 2 and now it is like 2.009975 and compared to 2 into 100%. So the percentage of increase is 0.5%, which is very nominal value.